Jehovah Jireh, my provider, Lord of hosts, you fight battles I cannot see. Gentle vocal, almost prayer like no force. God of David, you fight my battles. You see what I cannot see. You are always present. My trust is only in you. Nothing can overcome me. Jehovah Jireh, my provider, mighty ruler, my hiding place. Your name is my foundation. I dwell in your presence. You fight my battle. Lord, you go before me. Those who rise against me in my generation will not overcome. Hey, heavenly army, arise, fight for me. My defender, fight for me. You are the God of every victory. I stand only on your word. You fight my battles. Heavenly army, arise, fight for me. The Lord sees what is hidden. Nothing can defeat me. You fight my battles. Every evil altar raised against me, hey, every evil altar raised against me, against my life and my family, in the name of Jesus, it is destroyed. It has no power anymore. Every ancient curse is broken. Every evil chain has fallen down. I am no longer bound by the past. I am set free by Jesus. You fight my battles. Lord, you go before me. You know my heart, oh Lord. You stand with me. You dwell with me. Heavenly army, arise, fight for me. My defender, fight for me. You are the God of every victory. I stand only on your word. You fight my battles. I refuse to be delayed. I refuse to be a slave. I am free. I am free. Every chain is broken. Every burden is fallen. I belong to you, oh Lord, Father of life. I belong to you. I belong to you. I belong to you. I belong to you. Forever and ever and ever. Who do you belong to? I belong to the Lord, who has called you in the name of Jesus. It is finished. It is finished. Every evil altar has fallen. Every evil altar has fallen. It is finished.